Hi, I am Oscar Comendador of First A. Today I am going to explain natural disaster. Natural phenomena such as rain, earthquakes, hurricane, or a wind. Because disaster when the extent of normally limit usually measured throughout a permit. The, the term natural disaster refers to the enormous material losses and human lives events or natural phenomena such as earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, landslides, water swirls. The whirlpools are bodies of water that return and thermals with great force. In the sea, they are formed when two opposite currents and tides meet, or by the force of the wind or cause the water hits the structure of the coast because several ocean currents hide rocks that are off the coast islands. There are many possibilities and except when it comes to the aids produced by the wind and tides. The risk has to do irregularity of the funds. In the open sea do not pose problems to modern ships because they do not have suction, but in post-accident time we are completely for sailing ships because their state their helps in mildly, or worse, the restriction wind do them against the coast will. Natural disaster of the wind, for example, hurricanes. The high temperature of the sea surface and wind causes a storm, evaporation of ocean water, and with it, an abundant clouds and preparing that release a large amount of heat. Therefore, atomorphic proofs decrease increasing wind and evaporation in a circle that fishes in hurricane. Tornadoes. But tornadoes are as dangerous and faster than hurricanes. The speed inside can reach 500 kilometers per hour. They are vertically fronted that routes at very high speed with ascending and descending height. They are formed when the horizontal vertically wind serves in atmosphere. If we went through a tornado, we will fly without wings for the few hundred meters. They are tropical of the great meadows of USA, but also occurring in Spain. Natural disaster of water, for example, tsunami. How tsunamis are formed? A tsunami is a series of waves that generates in the ocean or other body of water because of distributed such as earthquakes, landslides, volcanic eruption, or meteor impacts. A tsunami is a wave that separates in a sea and is caused by an underground earthquake and landslides, a volcanic eruption, or a fall of meteorites. As the first cause is the most frequency with the fault of it. The great majority of earthquakes occur in the faults. There's a fair crash in the earth crust that accumulated tensions with the release in the earthquakes, sometimes like sending an elastic until it escapes up. Rays. How rays are formed? In a storm, the powerful natural discharge of the rays occurs between the clouds and the earthquake surface, or between two clouds. The characteristic light that accumulated the gibbs is called lighting, and sound, produced by stroke waves that produce an electric shock thunder. Earthquakes. How earthquakes are formed? Earthquakes are ground vibrations caused by the sudden release of energy from the earthquake of tectonic plates. The tectonic plates could with each other produce a release of energy. As a result of efforts, there were succumbency. And thanks for your attention. Bye.